If you're experiencing login issues on Instacart, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information associated with your account. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the Instacart link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or try logging in using a different browser or device. Step 5. Update the app. If you are using the Instacart app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Check your app store for any available updates and install them. If you follow these steps and still experience issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for further assistance.